everyone, this is Mike with Herbert-ABS with another Learning Series video. In this clip, I'll be going over our direct damage stability, or DDS, calculations and assessment. In DDS video 1, we went over the basics of the feature, and for this video, we'll be looking at how to understand DDS results, and most importantly, how to investigate failures. As you can see, I'm starting with a loading condition with the DDS already completed, but one that is showing a failure. I can see that in the status in the DAMS tab button in the ribbon bar, as well as the information in the alarm summary and the trim and stability summary. Both of these displays give more information on the DDS results and the reason for failure. In this case, damage case 75 and 99 are being listed as failures. To get a better understanding of why these cases fail our DDS check, we need to dive into the detailed results for each of these cases. There are two primary ways to view the DDS results. In the main print menu, we have access to the Print DAMS tab assessment reports. And from here, we can select and look at a complete one-line summary showing all the damage cases, or a summary of the worst cases, again showing one line and key parameters for each damage case. The second way to look at results is to go to the Damage menu and select Apply Regulatory Damage Case. From here, we could select individual damage cases, or I can hit the Select Worst Case button, which will automatically select my cases, case 75 and case 99 that failed, and it's also selecting case 101, which is also a marginal damage condition. Once the cases are loaded up, I can review the individual damage cases results by selecting the cases in the tree on the top right. Starting with case 75, we first look at the main alarms tab, which shows that the GZ criteria is failing. If I go to the writing arm tab, I can see that that's the IBC code, and if I scroll down, I can see that I'm failing my range of positive GZ. I've only got a range of positive GZ of 18 degrees, where the IBC code requires 20 degrees. If I check damage case 99, I see the same failure mode as well. My range of positive GZ is not meeting the requirement. Finally, if I look at my damage case 101, this was the third worst case damage case that was identified. We can see that we're passing the criteria, but just barely. My range of positive GZ is basically right at the point where it's passing. To resolve the failed cases, we will need to increase the range of positive GZ, most likely by trying to push our equilibrium heel angle closer to upright. In this condition, we likely could do this by ballasting down a little. To adjust our loading, we first need to switch back to our intact condition, clicking on the condition in the tree. Then I can go to my ballast tab, and I can see that I've got my number 1 ballast tanks partially filled. Let's just see what would happen if we increase the ballast in these two tanks, let's say to 40%. Now that I've changed my intact condition, my damage stability results are no longer valid for this condition. I can go back to my alarm summary, and now I see my DAMS tab assessment is still failing, but it says needs update. I actually need to rerun the damage assessment now since my intact condition has changed. I'll start the damage stability calculations now and wait for them to complete. Once the damage stability calculations are complete, I can now see that my DAMS tab assessment is passing. We've adjusted our condition and are now meeting the requirements for the damage stability as well as all of our other requirements. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this learning video. For more information, please visit us at www.herbert-abs.com or email us at info@herbert-abs.com.